my computer science engineering from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapuram. So, and I recently got placed in a company called IntelliSign as a software developer. And I achieved all this with the help of QSpiders. All the trainers here, all the Java faculty, the SQL faculty and the web technology faculty, everybody are really supportive. Everybody helped me so much throughout this process. It was an amazing experience. I gained a lot of knowledge. Moreover, I gained a lot of experience on how to deal with stuff, all the technical stuff. They gave not only the concept, not only core concept, but he gave me the real-time examples. All the trainers are well experienced and they know how to handle every situation, and they don't pretend to be like a typical trainer and student interaction, but moreover it was like a friendly interaction. So that process I enjoyed a lot. It was a really amazing experience for me, and I gained a lot of experience from QSpiders. Thank you.